Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button or maybe leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps with the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon, and I've included a link in the description that will take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is by Cards Against Humanity, and it is the Nasty Bundle. So this is a gem full of a lot of new exciting cards. I absolutely love this game. It's a lot of fun. It's great for groups. You always come up with different things, and it's very, very unique. In this bundle set, you're going to get 6 different add-on packs all in one. So you're going to get the Saves America pack. Then you are going to get the Booty pack, which is just obviously a ton of jokes about the booty. You're going to get the Weed pack. Then you're going to get the Period pack, which has just a ton of stuff in it. You're going to get the Picture Card pack 1 and 2. So the picture cards are kind of a unique thing now. You can just simply show it with the photo instead of words. It's a lot of fun adding a little mix to the game. I don't have a ton of the picture cards, so these picture packs are absolutely perfect. And then you're going to get a few extra nasty cards for you people. And that's just where they have some really just gross cards. But like I said, it's a lot of fun. You're going to get a mix of those black cards and those white cards. You can mix them all together, but they are individually wrapped. So if you don't want to include some of them, you don't have to. But I just mix them all in my big set for when groups come over and play. But it's absolutely great add-on set to your Cards Against Humanity. If you're looking for some new cards, this set is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.